weeks through the challenge, really taking today, or maybe you're not doing it on that day, maybe you're doing it on a different day because that's what your body was craving. So really taking today to feel the flow, to feel the movement, to feel the bounce, taking time in our health bounce here. Don't worry about the beat of the music, grounding down, and then just that gentle push, getting our lymphatic system moving. Lymphatic system doesn't have a pump like the heart pumps blood. It needs our movement to open and close, and that's what pushes the lymph through our body. Gravity, adding a little extra intensity into that push of the lymph. So when we're bouncing, getting more movement with gravity, physics, science, all of that beautiful stuff. Heel left, right, left. Stretching out the feet. Taking out, always an option to go slower. Now we're gonna slow it down. 2 counts, both heels, lift, balance. Go up, down, down, balance. Up, hold, down. Now if you need to hold on to something, a wall, do it. If you don't have anything nearby and you don't wanna move, just do 1 foot at a time. Just the right foot, then just the left. Up, balance, down. Back to heel lift, right, left. Single. Right arm, alternate, right, left. Bring them up. Go right, left, up. Right, left, up. Keeping the heel lift going, you're gonna reach both arms to the front. 2 counts right here. So we go front, open, reach, open. Now, because we're not lifting our feet, we can move our head, look down, look up. If that makes you feel dizzy, don't do it. Look down, look up, big open. 2 counts, arms up overhead, jack arms. Go up, down, up, down. Up, down, up. Kill the bounce. Just the arm, same thing, 2 counts. Go up, down. We're gonna go up for 2. Side bend to the right for 2. So up, 2 side bend, center, drop the arms. Left side. Up, side bend, center, and down. Again, to the right. Up, 2, right, 2, center, and down. Again. Go up, left, center, and down. Up. I'm trying not to bounce and move. And shake those arms down. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. Go. You can take your arms up and down. Getting even more movement through our body. Heel lift. You want to add a little twist, a little toe trip, because how can you not to this song? Again, using the rebounder, using the bungee, using the movement to just feel good in your body. Okay, we're gonna kill the bounce again. Forward fold, straddle, stretch. 4 counts. Go 4, 3, 2, bring it up. 4, 3, 2, again. Go 4, 3, 2, up. Finding that stretch. Reach. Up. Take it down. Up. Take it down. Okay, side bend to the right for 2. Right 2, right here. Right 2, left 2. All the way to the left. Back down. Right 2, right foot, reach right foot. Right foot for 2, left foot for 2. Bring it up for 4. Side bend, 2 counts to the right. Right 2, left 2. Forward fold. 4, 3, 2. Right foot for 2. Left foot for 2. Let's switch it up this time. Go left first. Left first. Left 2. Right 2. Forward fold. Left foot. Right here. Left foot for 2. Right foot for 2. Bring it up. Let's go left again. Up. Forward. Hold it here. Hold. You can grab the frame or just bring your hands to your shins or your thighs or your hips. Maybe give the head a shake or a nod. Try to bend the knees, right, left. Let's go. Go right, left. Right now, yes, you can come up. Okay, tuck my shirt on a little bit here. You can stay down, you can be holding the frame. Hold center. Heel toe those feet. Cross the ankles. Sit down. Buttons of the feet to touch. Reach the arms out. Right arm to the left. 2 counts. Go left to center. Center, other side. Reach now. If it feels better instead of butterfly, just to sit cross-legged, do that. Get comfortable. If it feels better, just have the legs out in front. Do it. If it feels better to kneel, do it. Now, reach the arms back behind you. 2 counts. Go back. 2 forwards. Reach back. Forwards. Reach back. Forwards. Open. Two more. Open. Last one. Bring the right leg in front. Send the left leg behind like you're setting up for pretzel. I'm not going to make you do pretzel. Right hand on the frame. Lift the hips. 2 counts. Take them up. 2 and down. Up. 2 down. Mermaid stretch. Up. And on other options, just keep your hips down. Reach open. Take them up. Down. 2 more. Down. Last one. Swinging that left leg around, bring it to the floor. Slide the right leg back. Hip flexor stretch. We can hold here. We can sweep the arms up overhead. Hands to the thighs, hands to the floor. 2 more breaths. Breathing through that hip flexor. Let's do the other side. So coming back. This time left leg stays in front. Right leg goes behind. 2 counts. Reach up right here. Take it up. 2. Down. Up. And now always make sure you just keep the hips down and just reach. Or to twist. That'll still get the stretch through the hips. Up. Down. That beautiful mermaid stretch. 2 more. Up. Last one. Right foot comes onto the floor. Left leg slides back. Runner's lunge. Breathe, hold. Can celebrate that you are past halfway in your 30-day challenge. Nice deep breath. Okay, sliding back, bringing both feet onto the rebounder, curl the toes under, press up into a forward fold. Slowly rolling vertebrae by vertebrae up. And shake it out one more time. See you tomorrow.